Okay, this presentation is all about foreign exchange, when you change money, for example, from Danish kroner into dollars. So, for example, John goes on holiday to England and he changes some kroner into pounds. And it says that the exchange rate is 840. So what does that mean? Well, that means that £100 will cost 840 kroner, because in Denmark the exchange rate is always given as the amount of kroner that you need to buy 100 of the other thing, the other currency, the other money, in other words. So write that down if you're taking notes. And here is a sample question. John has 2,400 kroner. The exchange rate for pounds is 840, so how many pounds is the 2,400 kroner worth? So just write that question down if you're taking notes, and then we'll have the solution. So start off with the basic information. 840 kroner is worth £100. So if we divide that by 840, we can find out what 1 kroner is worth. So just do that. 100 divided by 840 is 0.119 something something something. So that's what 1 kroner is worth in pounds. But we don't want to know about 1 kroner, we want to know about 2,400 kroner, 2,400 times as much. So to find out what that is, we'll have to multiply everything by 2,400. So we take the amount of pounds that 1 kroner is worth, multiply it by 2,400, and we get 285.71. So 2,400 kroner is worth 285 pounds and 71 pence. So write that down if you're taking notes. Example 2. John wants £350. The exchange rate for pounds is 840. Again, how much will £350 cost him in kroner? So this is different from the first question, because the first question you were asked to find out for a certain amount of kroner, and this time you're trying to find out for a certain amount of pounds. So just write that down if you need to, and then here comes the answer. So first of all, the basic information. 840 kroner is worth £100. But this time we're going to find out what £1 is worth. So to go from £100 to £1, that's 100th as much, so we divide everything by 100. So we've got to divide the kroner by 100 to get 8.4. So 8.4 kroner is worth £1, but we don't want to know what £1 is worth, we want to know what £350 is worth. So we multiply everything by 350. So if we take the 8.4, multiply it by 350, it comes to 2,940. So 2,940 kroner is worth £350. So write that down if you're taking notes. And remember, it often helps to find out what one of something, such as kroner or pounds, is worth when we're trying to find out what another amount is worth. So when we were trying to find out what 2,400 kroner was worth, we found out what 1 kroner was worth to start with. Always helps to find out what 1 is worth, and then you can always multiply it up to find out the amount that you want. So just jot that down if you're taking notes, and then there should be some questions for you to practice.